Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn English through everyday conversations you might encounter at the airport, from check-in to asking about gates and going through immigration. It's a fun and practical way to expand your vocabulary and improve your speaking skills, especially for those who love to travel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our learning videos. Let's get started.
Excuse me, I just heard that my flight is delayed. Is that true?
Yes, unfortunately, your flight is delayed due to bad weather.
How long is the delay?
About 2 hours. We're very sorry for the inconvenience.
Will you provide meal vouchers?
Yes, you can collect them at the counter over there.
Thank you. Will there be any updates?
Yes, we'll make announcements if there are changes. Please keep your boarding pass handy.
All right. Can I stay near the gate in the meantime?
Of course. Please feel free to use the waiting area.
Hi, I'd like to exchange some dollars for euros.
Of course. How much would you like to exchange?
$500, please.
All right, today's rate is $1 to 0.85 euros. That would be 425 euros.
Sounds good. Are there any transaction fees?
Yes, there's a $10 service fee. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Here's my money.
Thank you. Let me count it for you. Here are your euros and the receipt.
Thanks. Do you also provide small denominations?
Sure, here's a mix of notes. Have a great trip.
This lounge is so relaxing. Have you tried the coffee?
Yes, it's really good. What time is your flight?
In 2 hours. Yours?
Mine's in 3 hours. I've got plenty of time to enjoy this.
Same here. Do you use this lounge often?
Yes, whenever I travel internationally, the Wi-Fi is fast too.
That's true. I love the quiet atmosphere.
Definitely. Do you want to grab some snacks?
Good idea. Let's go.
Excuse me, how much is this perfume?
It's $85.
Do you have any discounts?
We have a 10% discount if you spend over $100.
Okay, I'll take this and some chocolates.
Great choice. That brings your total to $110. You get the discount.
Perfect. Can I pay with my credit card?
Of course. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Excuse me, can you help me find Terminal 2?
Of course. Are you departing or arriving?
I'm departing.
Take the escalator up to the second floor and follow the signs for Terminal 2.
How long does it take to walk there?
About 10 minutes. Would you like a map?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Good evening. Do you have anything to declare?
No, I only have personal items.
Did you bring any food, plants, or large amounts of cash?
Just some snacks, is that okay?
Yes, snacks are fine. Please open your bag for inspection.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Everything seems to be in order.
Great, can I go now?
Yes, welcome to the country.
Thank you.
Excuse me, my luggage hasn't arrived. What should I do?
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your baggage claim tag, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check our system. Can you describe your luggage?
It's a black suitcase with a red ribbon on the handle.
Got it. It seems your luggage is still in transit. We'll have it delivered to your address.
How long will it take to arrive?
Usually within hours. Please fill out this form with your contact information.
Okay. Is there a number I can call for updates?
Yes, here's our contact number. We're very sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you for your help.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass?
Here it is.
Thank you. Your boarding group is now boarding.
Do I board through this gate?
Yes, just follow the signs to gate A12.
Thanks. Is the flight on time?
Yes, we're on schedule for a 3 p.m. departure.
Perfect. Do I need to show my passport again?
No, just the boarding pass is fine. Have a great flight.
Thank you very much.
Please place your bag on the conveyor belt and empty your pockets.
Okay, should I remove my shoes as well?
Yes, please. Also, take out any electronics larger than a phone.
Here's my laptop and tablet.
Thank you. Step through the scanner now.
Is it okay if I keep my jacket on?
No, you'll need to remove that too.
Got it. Am I clear now?
Yes, you're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any checked luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Perfect, it's within the weight limit.
Great. Can I have a window seat, please?
I'll check for availability. Yes, you've got a window seat in row 18.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your boarding pass. Have a great flight.